Machiegni nya koromoga jwang weche manyien nyinga Ochieng Emmanuel.
Machiegni nyinga Simfros Okinda jaloko marwa Belinda Adhiambo.
Kawacho gi wach mabende en mar kuyo odhiambo makawuono. Malkia mar ariyo e piny Uingereza mong'ere kaka Queen Elizabeth the second owito ngimane.
Motelo Queen Elizabeth neriko kete bwarita mar thieth kaluwore kod ote ma oyangi moa kar jot mare makende mar Balmoral e piny Scotland.
Gikone lipot koro yango ne owito ngimane ka en jigni 96 kachiel koro wawinjo ni tang'o matimore e pinyno mar Uingereza.
To so many for so long. And with the passing of the second Elizabethan age, we usher in a new era in the magnificent history of our great country, exactly as Her Majesty would have wished, by saying the words, "God save the King."
The Prime Minister, Liz Truss, who was installed at Downing Street just a couple of days ago, having met the Queen in that audience, really presenting her own tribute with some personal elements in that, but also revealing something which we were hoping to hear, either from the Prime Minister or from the Palace, which is that Charles will be known as King Charles III, Nick, and that is at least confirming the title that he has adopted.
Yep, that answers that question. And of course, for him, for Charles, there will be conflicting emotions at this moment. Yeah. There is the great sadness that he refers to in his statement of the loss of his mother. But at the same time, this is the moment when he finally achieves his destiny. He is the oldest and longest serving heir apparent in British history. He will be the oldest person to become king in British history. Previously, the oldest person was William IV, who became king in 1830, aged 64. Well, Charles is 73. And he will know that this is a challenge for anybody to step into the position.
My government will use the opportunity of a strengthening economy